This is the smallest of the battery blocks. It holds 4 cells. With battery blocks, you can use salvage cells like these that have still got the tabs on. This will save you guys a bit of trouble ripping off those tabs. So let's put the negative in. The negative in. There it is. It's in. The magnets hold it nicely. We line up the red little arrow here with the arrow on the bottom case. Get them going in the same direction. Put it together. Then we take a look at the hole. Is it aligned? Does it go through the middle? If not, you can slide the metal plate each way with your thumb a little bit. Okay, let's imagine that we were going to connect another battery block to it. We would slide the series connector plate in like that. And away we go. But let's just go ahead and put some bolts on it. These are the nylon bolts. There's 2 different types of ring terminals. They come with either this 10 to 12 gauge and this 14-16 gauge. You get both types with battery blocks. So we put this in here, and now we come over here and put a nylon washer on, and we have the bolt to put on. The best way to do it is to just sort of press the bolt flat against the plate. See, I'm just holding it there with my finger, and then I just twist the nut, and that way there's no cross threading. Okay, tighten it up. There we go. If you get things kind of lined up funny, like this is off to the side, it's easy just to come and loosen it up and get it right. No problemo. Okay, and you connect your next battery block to it. If you want, you can use zip ties. A lot of guys use zip ties, but you can use threaded rod or bolts to connect your blocks together in series. Let's go put some current through this guy and see how it does. We've got a 4P battery block. We're going to hook it up to this Tenergy watt meter. We'll be looking at the amps that it's drawing. There's the bank of resistors that it's feeding. And here's a battery block that is powering the Tenergy. Because the Tenergy needs about 5 volts to work, and this is just putting out 3.5. Okay, I'll hook it up. It's hooked up now. We see that we're drawing 47 amps of current at 95 watts. That's very impressive for a 4P battery. Let's let it run for a minute. The battery blocks are about 97 degrees. The cells themselves are about 98 degrees. The Tenergy is burning 46 amps, showing 46 amps. And the resistors are showing 150 degrees. So it's obvious that the battery blocks are in no way holding this up. If they were, they'd be getting hotter than the cells. As it is, they're exactly the same temperature as the cells. Oh, roughly, what have we got? It's heating up now, 120 degrees. And the tops of the battery blocks are 120 degrees. So they're just being heated up by the heat from the cells. So they can easily handle this 45 amps.